Do you want to know what my absolute favorite thing to buy that I still buy constantly is? It's PLR, but only when it's good quality PLR, because there's a lot of crap out there that is just horrible. But today I've got something really, really special for you. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Podcasting for Fun and Profit. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the very few people that can pull one off successfully.
You look stunning in that hat.
Well, thank you. That's so sweet of you to say. You know, it's me and my buddy Raymond and my buddy Neil. We're a small club of people who can actually pull them off and look stunning in a hat. I gotta say. Anyway, seriously, if you if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, get a life. Okay, nobody wants the crap. Nobody but you. Okay, so you keep it to yourself. And if you are new to the channel, the way these work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, just an entrepreneur, none of those other things. And good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Podcasting for Fun and Profit from my friend Cam. Now, Cam has started a podcast of his own. I think about a year and a half ago. So he has the experience to actually be able to speak about this and be able to really offer something high quality here. And I've looked it over, and I can tell you, I'm going to show you a little bit of content from it as well. This is really, really good stuff. It's written in a very conversational way, and it's designed that it grabs people's attention. And the nice thing is, yes, you can sell these things. Okay, you can give them away as a lead magnet. Okay, you can use it as a bonus. You can use it on your blog. You can even use it to create your own product. Okay, you can actually go ahead and take it and put your name on it. Pretty much do whatever you want with it. The only thing you can't do is obviously resell the resale rights, or you can see the list here actually of what you're not allowed to do. You can't resell rights, and you can't just give it away for free just because you're being a nice person. The pretty standard PLR license. Now, I do want to tell you about my custom most, because I do have the best custom most you're going to see for this. By the way, this is going for $6. Okay, just so you know, it's $6 until the launch ends, which would be in a little over 3 days. When the launch ends, that's when the price jumps. I think it's going to be like $25 or $30 when the launch ends, something like that. And Cam doesn't play around with that. He really does raise the price to, I guess 27, that's what he says. That he really does raise the price. It's not a false scarcity thing. He does raise the price at the end of the launch. So really make sure that you get in right now, because it's $5.99. And of course, again, I am going to give you probably the best bonus you're going to see for this thing. Pick it up from me, and I'm going to give you 30 more high-end courses with full PLR rights that you can sell, give away, use them as a bonus. Basically the same rules as Cam has for his stuff. Pick up any upgrade though, and I'm really going to do something special for you. Any upgrade gets you a full 190 additional courses that have PLR included with them. Okay, so again, pick it up from me. I'm going to give you 30 courses. It's $6. So you're basically getting 31 courses that you can sell, give away, use a bus, whatever you want to do with it, for $6, which works out to what? Alexa, what's 31 divided by 6? Do you have an Alexa here?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Alexa, what's 31 divided by 6?
31 divided by 6 is approximately 5.1667.
So there you go. But what is that? 5? No, that doesn't make any sense. Alexa, what's 6 divided by 31? That's what I should have asked, right?
6 divided by 31 is approximately 0.1935.
So about 19 cents each for these courses, okay? And these are high-end courses, not the cheap junk that you can get for free. Nobody has these for free. These are high-end. You're going to get 31 of them for 19 cents a piece. But if you pick up any upgrade from this thing, then I'm going to give you another 190 of them on top of those 30. So you're going to get the whole thing with it. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip my hat. Oh, let me show you real quick. So this is some of the content. I downloaded it so you can see. And it's written in a really conversational way without being something that is, you know, it's not short, it's not, you know, poor quality content, and it's really written very, very, very well. Shows everything that people would need to know in order to create a good quality podcast. Anyway, let's see if I'm going to give it as a product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you're the man. Okay, for $6, this is a good deal. Grab this one, you're going to love it.